everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. It is my birthday today. Like, I really can't believe I'm 25 years old. I'm 25. Like, I feel like it's like, I don't know, I have a lot of mixed emotions about it, but we're gonna talk all about that in this video, kind of like expectations versus realities of being in your mid-20s. But yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of a chatty kind of get ready with me. I'm only gonna be doing my hair today. I have some hair extensions from Irresistible Me Hair that I'm gonna be applying in my hair. I'm gonna try to do this little ombre thing. Hopefully it all works out. Now I'm gonna talk to you guys about the hair that I got. So Irresistible Me sent me some more hair extensions, and this time I got a light brown color, and I actually got them in 28 inches because last time, once I curled them, they barely give me any like extra length. So we got 28 inches this time, and we also got this light brown color, which it's very different than the hair that's on my head. So my idea behind this was to try to do like an ombre effect thingy, but we'll see how that works out. Hopefully it does. I'm thinking I might have to add some of my old extensions, which are like a light brown, and kind of mix them. So yeah, these are 28 inches. This hair is so soft and beautiful. Like, you can just run your fingers through it so easily. You can't even see the full thing. Like, look how long it is. Obviously I'm gonna curl them so they're gonna like shrink up, you know, but this is so beautiful. It makes me want to straighten my hair. Yeah, if you guys see my armpits, I need to get to my sister so she can wax them because they are going back. So you don't even have to comment that. But yeah, this hair is so soft. Look how easy it is to just run your fingers through. So this time I got invisible clip-ins, which have a thinner base. I'll kind of show you guys up close. So yeah, these are so much thinner, and then these are the classic clip-ins that I used last time, and they're just like sewn together, so they have a much thicker base. Yeah, these should be like more comfortable. The classic ones weren't uncomfortable at all, but I could definitely feel like something was in my hair, you know, but these seem so lightweight, so I'm really excited to see how these feel once they're all clipped in. Obviously this hair is straight. I didn't want to straighten my hair because, you know, no heat 2020. I'm still going strong. If you guys were here in the beginning of January, I said all of 2020 I'm not going to use any heat on my hair, and it's about to be 6 months and I still haven't done that. So I'm proud of myself, a little pat on the back moment. So instead of straightening my hair, I'm just going to curl the extensions. So I have a 1/2 inch barrel because this one will give me like super tight curls that are similar to mine. So I'm going to turn this on and start curling. I should have like wrote some things down to have like specific topics and things I want to talk about. They're in my head, okay, but it's just that I might start rambling, so I apologize for that. But I just want to say first that I'm just grateful that I made it another trip around the sun, and I'm here to just experience life again. Like, I'm forever grateful for my life. You know, some people don't even get to make it to the age 25, and we made it. So I'm so happy about that, and I'm just so grateful. But there are things that like I thought I would have or would be doing, and there's just so much more that I expected to like accomplish, I guess you could say, by the age of 25. And I don't know about you guys, but I always had like this checklist of things that I wanted to have or wanted to do, or places I wanted to be by the time I was a certain age, you know. I feel fine where I'm at. I'm happy with where I am in life, but I've always expected to be in a certain position that I'm not in and that I'm nowhere close to, you know. And definitely by 25, I really thought I was going to be married with 3 or 4 kids, with this much money, with the house, with everything, you know, and that's nowhere in sight for me. So just like a reality check. And I'm not saying I'm not happy with where I am, because I am happy, and I have accomplished so many things, and I live a nice, comfortable life. Like, I like where I'm at in life, but I just feel like I should be doing so much more. And it's not only about a husband and kids, it's like about goals and things that I want to accomplish independently that I have not done. Yeah, when I talk to like my close people about everything I'm talking to you guys about, they always remind me like, you are doing good for yourself, like, you know, you've accomplished so much, they're proud of me, etc., etc., which I agree, you know, I have done more, but I just always feel like I should be doing so much more. And I think that the expectations I hold for myself are always so much higher than other people's expectations of me. So I feel like a lot of people deal with the opposite when they're always trying to meet other people's expectations, whether that's like close family or friends or loved ones, whatever. But for me, I feel like I have the highest expectations for myself, so I'm not like letting other people down more than I'm letting myself down. I don't think I'm letting myself down at all, or anybody for that matter, but I don't know how to explain it. I just want to be doing so much more. So yeah, I try not to get too down or like hard on myself about not being where I want to be, because I do recognize like my timeline is filled with a bunch of like society's standards, you know? And I know that as much as I want to say like, oh, it's not society, those are things that I actually want. Those are things that I actually want, but there's no reason that I should feel bad about not having them before a certain age, you know? I feel like everybody is on their own path, and I do understand that, and everybody's path is different, and people will achieve things at different times, and there's no wrong or right time. And I understand that, but sometimes it's like hard to accept when you think you really want something or you deserve something, it's just like not happening. You're just like, why isn't it happening for me? You know, it's your own personal journey, and what's meant for you is really meant for you. So I try to remember that as much as possible, but sometimes it's just like, dang man, I want this, but I just have to be patient. That's it. I just have to be patient. Everything that I want will come my way with hard work and dedication. So yeah, I don't know how old you guys are. I think most of my following is like 18 to 24 years old, so like early mid-20s, but I want to know if you guys feel the same way. I'm sure there's some people who do, and I just want to hear what your thoughts on expectations versus reality of your mid-20s, because sometimes it can really get to you. But I also want to talk about careers. Like, I feel like I have a really good, I'm not going to say career, I have a really good job, and I'm so grateful for it because I'm able to get the things that I want. I'm able to have my own apartment, you know, all that kind of stuff, and I'm so grateful for that. But it's like, I fucking hate it. So yeah, YouTube has really changed my mind about a lot of things that I want to do as far as my career. And I have a good paying job right now. I wouldn't say it's like my dream job. It's definitely not my dream job or anything, but it pays the bills, it pays well, and I honestly would be stupid to leave it and not have something else just as good or better before I leave it. Like, that would just be super stupid of me. I didn't even realize that making YouTube videos, sitting behind a camera and talking to people on the internet and sharing curly hair products and curly hair stuff could really be a career and really be a source of income until a few years ago. And I think that's crazy. I think that social media, crazy in a good way, you know? And I think that social media has really opened up so many more opportunities for people. And I encourage everybody I talk to make YouTube channels, because you never know what can come out of it. Obviously, if it's something that you really want to do and that you are passionate about, and not just for the money. But that's what I also battle with, because I really love doing this, and it's a hobby of mine. It always has been a hobby. And as much as I want to like work hard to turn this into a career and an actual source of income, I feel like I don't want to lose the love for it, and I don't want to lose the passion for it as just a hobby. I think that's what is fun about YouTube right now, and I hope it remains that way. You know, I love just sitting here and making videos, and also editing. I like the behind the scenes of YouTube a lot, and I don't want to turn it into like a job and then start hating it, you know? So I don't know. I really do want to work hard to make that a reality for me, like make it a reality that this is my job, but I hope that I can always keep the passion that I have for it. I think it's so amazing. You can connect with people from all over the world, and it's just something I never thought that I would be even doing. YouTube can really turn into a business for you, and not just sitting on the internet looking cute. And it can also be a stepping stone to create more businesses outside of YouTube, which is really cool, and that's something that I want to do, and one of my goals that I will be working on this year as well. I just wanted to show you guys how I'm curling my hair, or curling the extensions. But yeah, it's super tangled in this pile. I don't know if you can see that, but the good thing is it's easy to detangle. So but yeah, I've just been putting it here and putting my water on top, and then just curling it like this. I am back. So I just finished curling all the extensions and I kind of separated and fluffed out my hair a little bit. And these are what the extensions look like. They curl so easily and they look so pretty when they're curled. They look way better when they're curled compared to when they're straight. So I think I told you guys my idea behind getting this light brown color was to do like an ombre effect thing. I don't know if I was in over my head or if I should have just gotten like an ombre set of extensions, but I thought this was gonna work and we're gonna see if it's gonna work. I do have these like darker medium brown colors that I used previously, so if anything I'm gonna try to mix them, but we'll see how it works. All right, so I'm gonna start with this triple weft and put that at the very bottom. I didn't really get the ombre effect I was going for, but I think it just looks like I have highlights and I like the way it looks, so we're gonna leave it at that. I was thinking, and I kind of want to have like a little blonde piece in the front, so I'm thinking that I am going to cut one of these. Yeah, and you can use any type of heat tool on these extensions and they curl so nicely and they stay silky. And if you order the wrong color or the wrong length or just something that doesn't really suit your hair or what you were going for, return them and exchange them for free if you live in the United States or Canada. They do ship internationally though, but you just can't do that free exchange and return if you live elsewhere. So yeah, I think that looks a little bit better because I have some more blonde in the front. My camera is about to die. I'm gonna go in and recurl some of these blonde pieces and then I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so this is the final result. My hair is all in and curled and definitely wasn't what I expected it to look like, but just like I was talking about earlier, expectations versus reality. I don't know why I thought by clipping in these extensions I was gonna get like an ombre effect. Like, I don't know what I was thinking, but I like the way that this came out. It's just like blonde highlights, and I really want to dye my hair, and I bought the box dye already. Even though Virginia opened up all of their salons and everything, I still want to do it by myself. I really like the way it looks. I'm really happy with the way it came out, and I think this is a cool way to add color into your hair without using like any harmful chemicals or anything like that. Shout out to all my Geminis out there. If your birthday is coming up or if it already passed, happy birthday or happy belated. I don't know why there's so much hate in the world for Geminis. You know, I just think people can't understand such a complex person, and that's okay. It's okay. I love you all, except for Taurus men. I'm just kidding. Yeah, and if you're entering your mid-20s and you're going through like a little mid-20s crisis like I find myself going into sometimes, just know that everything that is meant for you is coming your way. Just stay positive, work hard, stay dedicated to the things that you want to accomplish, and you'll be fine. We'll all be fine. We'll be fine. Yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and make sure you hit the bell notification so you know every single time I post a new video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god, that's my brother.